How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Fury moto-siren. So this is a compact siren speaker system in one with a 30-watt output, and this is great for motorcycles or anywhere you need a compact siren speaker system. And when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your Fury moto-siren with your included L bracket here, which I went ahead and pre-attached, and then you'll have two cable harnesses here. So one of your cable harnesses will be your power and functions cable harness. So you'll have your red positive, your black ground, your white sync cable to sync up to two Fury moto-sirens, and then you'll have your brown and orange cables here to hook up an external speaker such as our cone or our icon speakers, and then you have your yellow and purple cables here to use your Fury as a speaker only, and then if you'd like to use the radio rebroadcast feature, you'll only use the purple cable, and then you have your gray park kill mode here. And then when it comes to your air horns and your siren tones, you have your cables here. So you'll have your gray horn A, your purple horn B, your blue whale, your green mech, your brown sting, your orange yelp, your yellow tool, and your white high-low cables. So let's go ahead and hook this unit up to power and go over the functions. So I went ahead and hooked up my unit to power here. So I ran my red positive to my positive connection and my black ground to my ground. And then you'll see that you have a blue LED indicator here showing that your unit has power. So let's go ahead and go over the siren tones. Now you do have the ability to sync up to two Fury moto-sirens together, and this is very simple to do by simply tying your red positive cables together and tying that to your positive connection, tie your black grounds and hook that to your ground connection, and then you'll take your white sync cables and tie those together as well. And then to activate your siren tones, you'll only use one of your siren tone cable harnesses. So for example, I'll be using this one. So let me go ahead and put my headphones on here. And then you'll take your brown or any of your siren cables and you'll take that to the positive connection. Now we do also offer our optional moto-siren control box here. Now you'll have your power button in the middle to activate your unit, and then you'll have your A, B, C, and D switches here. Now your A switch will be an on-off switch for your lights and or siren tones, and then your C and D switches will be additional on-off switches for your siren tones. And this unit can be either mounted to your motorcycle handlebar or can be mounted to a flat surface as well. So that covers our Fury moto-siren. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.